we're going to take a look at significant figures. And before we go through the rules, we're just going to talk about why we need to understand significant figures. And I think the easiest way is to maybe go ahead and start with a conversion. So let's take something like 0.5 centimeters and convert it into inches. And so we know the general plan. So we can go ahead and use factor label, a conversion factor. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. And we can go ahead and we can cancel the units maybe before we go too far. So it'll be inches. And we can type this in on a calculator. And so if we take 0.5, so I've got my trusty TI-30 in my hand here, and divide it by 2.54, my calculator says 0.196850394. And the units are going to be inches. And so what we can see is that we start off with a measurement that's just half a centimeter, and we end up with a measurement that actually is just spilling off the side of our calculator screen. Our calculator just won't show us any more than 9 digits there after the decimal point. So the question is, are all these true? And the answer is no. Some of them are complete made-up work of fiction, have no meaning whatsoever. And so the significant figures rule is really just to say, all those digits are really kind of meaningless. In fact, we should probably write the whole thing as 0.2 inches, because that's really as precise as we're allowed to go. So the SIGFIG rules save you from lying. They save you from writing more digits than you're supposed to, and sometimes they prompt you to write a few more digits than your calculator may sometimes round off to. And so it just really keeps us honest.